What is this? Tell it chopping eyes now.
You never put up a fight, no, no, fight, no, silence you, baby, no. Like we knew we never had to say a word, nothing. Fight, no, no.
Hey my Leopods, welcome back or welcome to Being Leopold Lifestyle. For those who know and for those who definitely do not know, it's your boy Leopold, Niece's boy alive, and welcome to the lifestyle. Right. So, this has been a highly requested video. How I achieved the infamous man bun. So if you're interested in seeing how I went from this to this, keep watching. Anyway, first thing what I do is condition my hair, wash it. This is freshly washed hair. Rub some conditioner in it, rub conditioner into it, and then rub my little mixing. My thing or me special, right? So I just going just do a little bit. I don't want too much in there. And I just going to rub it all over my hair. This is in my bottle. That's like my version of leave-in conditioner, cause I can't go the States and get like the bottle of my regular leave-in conditioner, the Serum Moisture. And Jamaica really be lacking, so them don't have it. Them only have it in the small bottles in Fontana, and I'm like, what I can't do nothing. So I just waste my money by it and just wait till when I get it. So what I'm doing now, I am combing it out, getting out all knots and forming, directing the hair into where it will go. Right. I'm going to go with going forward. I'm going to use my pick as well, since it's a bigger teeth. Yes guys, when I leave school, I'm going to show now what I normally do. It's kinda, I'm going to fool the teachers because my teacher's watching, but that's exactly what I do. But I'm going with the Eco Styler. This is, I didn't show you. Yeah. I use the Eco Styler, the olive oil one. This one, I think this one is the best one in my opinion. But I haven't tried all of them, but this one really made my hair. The original one, the yellow type one, that always flake up my hair, so I don't use it anymore. But I use this. Alright, and this is the alright. Yeah, so this is what I use. So firstly, go it like this and just and just a disclaimer guys, I am going to see me to probably catch up my hair more than once. Right? Just be aware. Like if you see me catching up, like I'm going to speed up some parts to cut down on time, because I know probably you guys busy during the week. But guys, please, I'm starting to upload back videos. Can you please just watch them? Like, I don't know what's been going on. Probably on a busy. I don't know. But the channel is not dead, so we need the support now more than ever. I like how Christmas coming up, so we have a lot of content in store. So we can't afford to see like 100 views and 200 views. Like we need to start to 1k views. Like we have 1k subscribers on the channel, so we need to see them. Like where are you guys? Right? Anyway, now I'm going to comb through the gel and everything that's in there. I know guys, I made like, I went to Kingston yesterday. Oh my god, Thursday, right. You're going to see that vlog soon, probably in the week. I'm going to upload this. When am I going to upload this? Whenever I upload this, the Kingston vlog will be next. But yeah. So basically, when I was doing my hair the night before, I was originally planning to film this video to show you guys, but like I had my mixing in my hair already. So when I was trying to do the thing, I ended up using a lot of gel to hold on my hair because I realized that my hair had too much stuff in it, so it's not going to hold. Like right now it's holding good because like I decided to say, you know, let me not put anything in my hair, but then just a little bit of conditioner and the gel, and it's a go good. Me probably not even have to catch it up more than once. Alright, we're going good. Like this thing is like a learning curve for me because I don't normally have this long hair. I don't normally have this amount of hair on my head on the time. So this is like the first time my hair can actually catch up and have a nice, well, it's not good size catch up, you understand? Run at the back, a little puff run at the back. Right. And before I do anything, let me just going in with a little comb now. Comb back everything nice and flat. You see guys, with being Leopold, the lifestyle, you guys know the content. You know the content is great, but like sometimes it really demotivates me because I'm like, why can't I see anybody, you know, watching the videos? And it really, sometimes it really have me get me down because I'm like, I really have, like, you know, sometimes like I overthink, like I'm an overthinker. So I always like wonder, oh, is my channel good? Like, do people like it? You know, what can I do to, you know, get my big break on YouTube? Like, you know, things like that. Like, it really brings like a little level of anxiety. Like, it makes me really anxious sometimes. But, you know, I'm a person where I don't really talk my feelings. So that's the thing. I don't really, like, I'm more, you see, with like people that are text and like talk to on a daily basis, they know, like my friends, they know that I'm not I don't openly talk about my feelings and what I'm going through really. Unlike if I really trust you, like you will hear me complain and talk my mind every minute. But if we're not that close and I really hear, or like, you understand, like things like that. But I don't openly share my life like that. So being on YouTube, it has really, you know, opened my eyes, or opened like that side of me. Cause like now I'm trying to build like this relationship with you guys. So I want you guys to know me and, you know, connect. I want to connect with you guys. If you don't understand, I must understand because I'm in English, but yeah. Anyways, so now that I get the size down, you know, just part it out because you don't want everything to look like one and then you're going to look crazy. Right. An important step though, make sure that you get the middle, because the middle sometimes can really fail you. Make sure you get the middle. by all means get the middle. Like wherever you catch up here, so like how I'm catching up mine here, you have to make sure that everything in this space right here get up. Get right into the elastic. So now I'm going up. Right, now I'm going in with the bigger comb. Combing everything up into place. Like, you know guys, I'm really, to be honest with you guys, I'm really starting to enjoy YouTube. Like the only thing that really gets me down right now is just the fact that I can't post as often because like my computer is really going through it, because like when I started, like I didn't really have the technology to do YouTube professionally. So like with editing the videos, and you know, we have to give it a top-notch quality. So you know, so the quality is 4K, and my computer don't support 4K. But it's not that it don't support it. It's just that it lags because like the graphic card can't handle all of that pressure. So that's that. But guys, like for the past, I've done my hair like this probably 2 times, like this length now. 2 or 3, one of them. Anyway, but wait, hold on. Let me, before I go in with the wax, I'm going to try and catch up my hair. Just sketch it up. But I'm going to brush it in first. So I'm going with my brush. And you want a little edges, so you know you gotta swoop. I know it's weird for some people to like, why is he doing his hair and why is he so fascinated? Because I guess it's just me growing up. My mom is a hairdresser, so I grew up around here all my life. Been like, I'm different from my brothers because like with my brothers now, when they're way older than me, right? So with my brothers now, when they were born, my mom was in her prime basically. So she was always at work and all of that. So it's not like they was spending time at the shop with her and as much as how I would. Like how me had the wash belly now, and yeah, you know, she had me later in life. So I got the chance to spend majority of the time with her at the shop and all of that. So this is that. If you're wondering why the gel is white right now, because of the conditioner. Ooh, why did I do that? No, wipe my hands. Now just wash out the comb. Now going in with the wax. This is what the wax looks like. It's clear, right? Now combing it again. My hair is wet because it's easier to comb out and stuff. So yeah, when I finish, I'm going to try and get some of the excess water out. Right. Now I'm going with the second sponge. Try and get the little hairs that are down. Right. I'm going with the toothbrush now. Neat and fine. So I look back, like I hold my head up and look that way to see if any flyaways is there, you know, for things like that. Alright guys, so this is it in a nutshell. Right. Like when I do this, I always want my hair to be slick. So yeah, so dry everything just in place, and you understand. So alright guys, so that's it. Let me show you the back. That's the back. Right, so this is how I achieve this style. Right, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. What I normally do, before I finish, this is what I normally do. I tie it down, I use this, and I just go like this, tie it down, then put my do-rag on top, tie it down and go sleep. Next morning I wake up, everything nice, flat and dry. Right. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at beingleopold. On Twitter, Instagram, and on Snapchat is controller_LEO. And don't forget to click the links in my description box. Don't forget to subscribe to Chef It Up with Leopold. Content coming soon. Right? And yeah. Love you, Leopods. Bye.